Here we have Kyle Holdridge with the, what's the name of your boat, sir?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. Blue Thunder, and Leah Davis will be showing off the boat today. Over here we have Mr. Scott Sauer, and what's the name of your boat, sir? PJ. PJ. Lovely Kelly will be showing his boat today. Over here we have the Holdridge Mobile. That's Brett Tullis. Test driving. Kyle's rigging the power on Blue Thunder. It's 60% battery and 40% boat. I haven't named my boat yet. Kyle towing boat. Oh, he could have a boat delivery service.
Yeah, we were out on the lake on our boats. We were all tied up together.
That's kayak. Got the, forgot the name of my boat. This is Blue Thunder.
Where's Brett?
Hey, down there. Yeah, I think I took a picture.
Tow you in. We got to tow you in right away. I think I heard. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, whose boat is better?
I like Mark's boat.
Oh, Blue Thunder gets enough.
Dad, so I like Mark.
Mark?
It's 3 on this dad.
3 for Mark?
Yeah, 3 for Mark.
See how nice and easy this is, Mark? Because your boat sucks.
Easy. I thought about it before you said it.
Oh, did you? Did you see mine?
No.
No, over here. Oh, you got it like that. Yeah, I got it. Isn't that nice, though? Not, oh, Kyle, yours on the inside, yes, but, oh, okay, I should tell you this. No, I'm doing another 2-inch piece on the sides.
That is their brand new boat.